So this meeting, the 10th Annual World Symposium, was the best ever. Again, our attendance was up probably 20–30%, and it just reflects how much interest there is in research in lysosomal diseases. This year we had some remarkable discoveries presented. We have new drugs like sabelipase alpha. We have clinical trials of tried and true drugs, some of them being compared to others. Repligal compared to Fabrazyme, one dose against the other. We're learning the limitations and the unknown efficacies and responses of some of these drugs that have been out there for a while. There's still so much to learn. I like the first day of basic science, where we start discovering things about the cell and the enzyme and the molecule and the gene, things that kind of lead to all the other discoveries. And the second day is always translational research. That also is tremendously fascinating, because we see how by understanding the biology we can intervene with a disease, potentially, often in animal studies or in vitro, and conceive the next therapy, the next treatment for some lysosomal disease, typically a devastating, typically a dementing disease in many cases. And then the third day is where the clinical trials actually are presented. Quite often these are coming out of academic institutions, but often from pharmaceutical companies that have invested millions and millions of dollars trying to bring a drug to popular acceptance and FDA and EMA approval. So the transition going from the bench to the bedside is laid out in front of everybody. It's a fairly unique characteristic of the meeting, and it's what I really love about it. This year, the journal Molecular Genetics and Metabolism will make the February issue entirely on lysosomes. There'll be the abstracts and program for this meeting, but the rest of the issue will be peer-reviewed manuscripts about discoveries that are happening now and getting ready for publication. We've got a great partnership with Elsevier's Molecular Genetics and Metabolism. Likewise, the companies that are coming to the meeting are increasing in number. We've got Genzyme, that has been involved in lysosomal disease therapy for so long, but now we actually have had 20 different exhibitors this year, and we hear about new companies, startup companies that have an idea, a new drug, a new therapy, that want to get into the lysosomal storage disease field and have great ideas. I hope those will be published, and we'll have more, even more interest coming into the field.